Good evening, Dr. Nikhil, and this is Dr. Vinayak from Speed. And I wish you great and congratulations and best wishes. Also, I bring from all the faculties from Speed Institute to Dr. Nikhil for scoring rank number 3 in AIMS 2021 session in super specialty of a DM nephrology.
Yes, good evening, sir. I'd like to thank the team of Speed for their well wishes with me. Sir, it could have been only possible because of the Speed videos and the help, the guidance that the Speed faculty had given at the time of preparation, sir.
It's really great, Dr. Nikhil, to interact with you right now in a very happy occasion and an wonderful occasion. You'll be in a lot of joy, and now whatever you wish will happen to anyone today. Now you say, this will happen to you, this will happen. That is a day today you have for yourself and for people around you. And I want to know about Dr. Nikhil. I mean, where he is coming from, which place, where he did his medicine, where he did his MD, and why he chose a specialty of nephrology.
Sir, I have done my undergraduation from Government Medical College of Aurangabad in Maharashtra, and I have completed my MD medicine from KM Hospital, Mumbai. I wanted to do nephrology from the second year of my MD medicine, where we used to be posted in nephrology department for our regular rotations. At that time, I developed love for this subject because of the professor there.
Who is the professor who inspired you?
He used to teach us. Yeah, definitely. He was one of the inspiration why I took nephrology. He used to just tell us how nephrology is just a refined form of medicine. It's just an extension, not a different specialty altogether. So that is what inspired me to take nephrology so that I could be in touch with medicine as well. So that was the basis for taking nephrology, I'd say.
Now, we want to know from Dr. Nikhil, what was the preparation strategy? Because, I believe right now you are in third year?
No, sir. I have completed my MD medicine.
You finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have finished.
Sir,
yeah.
When did you start your preparation for DM nephrology, the minute you decided to go for that? And what are your preparation strategies? How did you do that?
Sir, I started preparing as soon as I passed out from KM Hospital, like in last September. So I started my preparation in October 2020, where I started reading FIHALI, the book that we read for nephrology. So my focus mainly was to complete FIHALI before JIPMER 2020 and at least finish one reading of it. So I finished, then I got JIPMER rank 8, but I couldn't get into JIPMER nephrology. So I continued my preparation.
JIPMER rank number 8, am I right? You got JIPMER rank number 8, but you were not able to go in. Why?
Yes, sir. So there were only 2 seats. There were only 2 seats in JIPMER nephrology. So I continued my preparation for PGI and AIMS for this session. So I finished my FIHALI and I just wanted that I could give ample of revision to whatever I have read in FIHALI and give as much as revision for Harrison as well. So my main focus was, I would say, was FIHALI and with ample of revisions to Harrison that I had read in my MD medicine. And along with that, I took a lot of help from Speed videos. Especially, I would like to mention Manu Krishnan sir, who took a lot of efforts to teach us nephrology, and his efforts were totally seen when he used to take lectures. His effort to teach the students, and he used to make us understand the concept so easily and so simply that we used to just remember it that way. We didn't put much efforts to understand the concept from the standard books as well. So I would like to give a special mention to Manu Krishnan sir for his wonderful lectures that he used to take on nephrology. Yes, sir.
I will sure convey him. And I want to know from you that have you seen all the videos of nephrology?
Yes, sir. I have seen the videos of nephrology, and I've also seen the videos by Dr. Karthikeyan for medicine, and they are really helpful. I took down the notes from those videos, which really helped me in the last moment revision, and that is what I think could help me to get this rank in AIMS 2021.
Can you tell me, doctor, in nephrology for DM in AIMS, what percentage of questions were from FIHALI and what percentage of questions were from Harrison nephrology?
Exact differentiation might be difficult, but I would say like 50 to 60% questions were from FIHALI and remaining questions were from Harrison. Like 5 to 10% questions were where I couldn't locate the book where they exactly came from. So those 5-10% questions I don't think so would matter if those remaining 90% questions are there with you.
So it is the pattern of, is a NEET followed in AIIMS also? That means 40 questions are from general medicine and like 60 questions are from a specialty book. Is that the concept also followed in AIIMS?
I don't think so, sir. Sorry, it would be rather more of the specialty book than Harrison itself. You would have to read, without reading the specialty book, I don't think so it would be possible to cover the nephrology for AIIMS or in any of the central institute rather.
Okay. So I think, we need to focus more on specialty of almost more than 60% and of course along with the Harrison part of nephrology.
Definitely. Harrison cannot be left behind. Harrison is very important.
Okay.
To keep Harrison by hand is very important, I would say.
Can you tell me the general medicine part which is spread around Harrison part 1 and part 2 in speed learning app and also an integrated medicine from nephrology? There are 3 sessions with Harrison. And is this Harrison plus the specialty of nephrology handled in nephrology session super specialty, is this adequate for an exam like this?
Yes, sir, definitely. It's more than adequate, I'll say. If we could just finish those videos, watching those videos and taking out the notes, I think about 80% to 90% of the preparation is done there itself. Hardly 10% that we have to give for self-studies and the revision of the stuff that we have already read. But most of the things are covered in the classes, the videos that they are already uploaded in the class.
So did you do some topic-wise MCQs and AIIMS mock exams which were available there in the speed learning app? Did you do that?
Sir, I could give only 1 or 2 mock exams. I couldn't give much, but they were again really very helpful. Okay. At least they gave the direction in which I could just target my focus.
Okay. So the structure which is available today right now in speed learning app, will that be sufficient enough for the students who are aspiring for the subsequent institute exams and also for NEET exam? Do you feel that is this okay? Or something?
Definitely, sir. Definitely. This is really. I would not say okay. This is really good for the students. The structure that they have created in the speed app and the lectures that they have uploaded, it's definitely more than enough to be done by anyone who is aspiring to go to some good institute. If they cover these videos, that will be more than enough, sir.
Okay. So once again, I bring all the great wishes from all the faculties from the Speed Institute. On their behalf, I wish you all the best and all the success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And God bless you. And days to come and years to come in the specialty of DM nephrology, you are going to excel and make a mark in the field of DM nephrology. Best wishes to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.